Set amidst the dense tropical forest, yet just steps away from the turquoise waters and the lovely beachfront. Berjaya Tioman Resort is an ideal vacation hideout for holidaymakers who want to be embraced by Mother Nature. We chose to stay here for our family gathering since the pandemic, which is an ideal place to catch up and have a relaxing holiday. We took the SKS Airways, which has a direct flight from Kuala Lumpur to Pulau Tioman, which took 1.5 hours. SKS Airways uses the Sultan Aziz Shah Airport at Subang instead of the more well-known KLIA Airport. It was previously the Subang International Airport, and we have not been here for more than 10 years since the opening of the KLIA International Airport. Still well maintained with eateries and shops, although it is mainly for domestic flights. SKS Airways uses the 19-seater Twin Otter aircraft, which is quite an experience for us who used to fly with the larger planes. The aerial scenery during takeoff and landing is breathtaking. Upon arrival at Berjaya Tioman Resort, we were greeted by the staff performing a welcome dance, a pleasant surprise to us, and of course, the welcome drink. After a quick check-in, we took the buggy to the room. There were many monkeys and we were told to close our window and doors at all times. We booked 2 rooms for our family, which are well decorated with a welcome message, a fruit basket, and all other expected amenities. We took a dip in the swimming pool. A pool bar offers various drinks, rejuvenating after a day of travel from Kuala Lumpur.
See the red one?
Yeah. Now I stop.
Red one.
The pool is next to the beach with a row of sun chairs facing the sea, a perfect place to read a book, relax, or just do nothing.
Don't go out tonight, I don't have the luck. It's over 1,500 miles, and that's enough space for me. Was it really us? It doesn't seem to be. One arm on my chest, in my head overseas. In a river I would wade where the weeds gave way, there was no current.
There are a few more food and beverages outlets beside the pool bar. The Asian All Days is the main restaurant for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The food for the buffet is a mix of local and international cuisine. The resort provides the buffet for all the main meals during our stay. We requested a memorable sunset dinner on the pool deck on the first day. Pristine beach, enchanting sunset with splendid color, and a 4-course dinner is perfect. There's a beach bar where you can order your favorite cocktails, sit at the beach, and just watch the world go by.
Hit the sky and a hopeless romantic with eyes never frantic was waiting on an easy virtue. And oh, I wished it too. And a big wind will blow, and with angels made of snow, we'll find comfort out in the freezing cold, screaming while they roll. A wild I told you so, you would have loved it. Back here at home, and I'll wait.
On the other day, we also bring our food from the buffet line from the Asian all-day restaurant to the cabana to have a beautiful dinner at the beach and enjoy the live music from the beach bar. We want a relaxing family trip, so we do not rush to venture to the whole island but spend more time in the resort. However, we did have a few excursions outside the resort which will be included in the following video. We rode on ATV for the first time on Turtle Beach. Snorkel at 3 different places, hike behind the resort, and more. We'll add the link to the part 2 of Tioman in the description below the video once we upload that video. See you in the following video. Later.